Today we are going to discuss on the new topic light. So here are the subtopics that we are going to discuss today. They are what is light, importance of light, luminous and non-luminous object, sources of light, transparent, translucent and opaque materials. Now let's start with what light is. Light is a form of energy that is essential for all life to exist. Now, what are the importance of light? Light is important for various reasons. Plants use the energy present in sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. During this process, plants give out oxygen that we need to live. Almost all the organisms living in the earth need oxygen to survive. Plants also provide us food like rice, vegetables, fruits, etc. Plants also provide us energy through food chain. So here is one example of food chain. Grass is eaten by goat and goat is eaten by human being. So the energy is transferred from grass to the human being through food chain. And more importantly, light also helps us to see things. Our eyes function in the presence of light only. So why is light important for us? Light is important for our food, for energy needs and for oxygen. Now we are going to discuss about luminous and non-luminous object. The first is luminous object. Objects that give out their own light are called luminous objects. For example, sun, electric bulb. Now, non-luminous object. Objects that do not give out their own light are called non-luminous object. Some examples are pencil, book, house. So they have their own light, and these things they do not have their own light. But how are we able to see a non-luminous object? The light given out by the luminous object falls on the non-luminous object and is then reflected to our eyes. Thus, we are able to see the non-luminous object. Now, we are going to discuss about sources of light. So, what is a source of light? Any object that emits light is called a source of light. The sources can be natural as well as artificial. Some examples of natural sources of light are sun, stars and firefly. This firefly you might have seen during night time. Now some examples of artificial sources of light are candles, lamps and electric bulbs. So these are made by human beings and these are found in nature. Now we are going to discuss about transparent, translucent and opaque materials. Materials that allow most of the light to pass through them are called transparent materials. For example, glass. Next is materials that allow only a part of light to pass through them. For example, frosted glass. This frosted glass they are used in houses for designs and decorations. Next is opaque materials. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque materials. All the lights are reflected. Some other examples of opaque materials are wall, table, etc. So depending on the nature of items, when light falls on an object, one of three things can happen. The light will either pass through the object, be absorbed by the object or be reflected by the object. So that's all for today. Thank you.